Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Howard and I'm going to be your instructor for sterile and non-sterile compounding, which is PT140 or PTN1454. I think I noticed a couple of students who have taken my classes before, so to those of you, welcome back. And to those of you who I haven't met before, welcome to taking one of my classes. I hope this is going to be a great term for each and every one of you, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2019. This is a very, basically, paper-intensive course compared to my calculations course, which is obviously almost completely on math. So it's very big switch up from my other class which I teach. So for those of you who've had me in my calculations course, this is quite different in terms of how we grade. So this is going to be kind of the same setup. We're still going to have the hour lectures where I'm going to go over the objectives, and we're going to go through basically the meat and potatoes of what you need to get from what we're needing to know for the class. And I'm going to show you a lot of things, especially from a compounding point of view, which, you know, it's hard to teach compounding in an online setting because you're not in a classroom learning it. So I'm going to try to pull from my experience. I've done compounding, obviously, in the retail setting in my past. So I'm going to show you things that I have at my disposal. And then I'm going to pull some videos and things to show you actual some demonstrations so you get familiar with what it looks like. And then we're going to be learning a lot of new law things that are coming out this term because there's a lot of new changes coming about in the next year that are going to set some precedent for compounding over the next year or so. That's going to take place December 2019. So we're going to learn a lot of new things. That's going to be some big changes for pharmacy over the next year. So there's going to be a lot of big changes, and hopefully I can get you all prepared for all of that so that you're all in the know, basically. I have a lot of the same setup if you've taken a class with me before. So I wanted to show you what my Blackboard page looks like. So in the top, you'll see my instructor information. My phone number is always accessible, so if you need to text me during the day, ask a quick question, that's perfectly fine. If not, feel free to always, of course, message me or to send me a quick email. I have no problem getting back to you within 24 hours. Below that is going to be all your live classroom information stuff. So the link for my live classroom. I've already gone ahead and given you all the live classroom dates. Most of them are going to be on Monday night. If not, there is one date that is obviously Thursday because we have a short week this first week. So our first class will be on a Thursday. There is one Sunday, only because I do have to work on a Monday night, and I do apologize for that. I know you guys like to get things turned in on Sunday night, so I do apologize for that. But I do like to give you guys the whole week to get your assignments done. So instead of going into Tuesday, I'd rather give you the full week to give you to watch your live lecture. So I'm going to do it on a Sunday. So I appreciate if you can get into the live lecture. If not, then it'll still give you the full week to watch it. And then the Module 6 I usually do on the Friday before, just because, again, it's a short week, to give you the most time as possible to give you to watch it and get your assignments done. Below that is your survey box, but even below that, what I do with this class is I put up the library chat. Because this one is such a paper-intensive course, it gives you a chance, another section, to be able to ask the library chat questions, especially if you have like a reference question or need to get into tutoring. There's another access point to it. Over on the side, you have your My Task section, which I always put up in my other class. I'll do it again for this one, just so you keep on task what's due this week. And then there'll be always your announcement section. Make sure you're always checking in here, see if there's anything from me that you need to know what's going on. And then over here on the side, I have put up the link for the APA guide. This one's going to be big this time. Make sure you're always referencing correctly. So you always can check in here, make sure you have the correct referencing tool from the library. And then Grammarly, obviously, make sure your grammar is correct. You want to sound scholarly or correct in your papers, you can check that here. And it's a free service that's provided through the college, so you don't even have to pay for it. And then all your modules are given below. We are using the same product this time for the book, plus Navigation Plus. So there is directions on how to access the book for the first week. If anyone has issues with accessing the book, please let me know immediately so that I can contact the correct people and help you get into that book as soon as possible. Because this is the only week we should be using the book through Navigation Plus. So you'll only need it for the first week, and so it's very important that you let me know as soon as possible if you cannot get into it. Okay. With that said, I hope that we have a fantastic 5.5 weeks. I know it's a little bit even shorter than that because of the holidays. But I really enjoy teaching this class as well, and I think it's going to be even new and different because of even more of the law changes that are happening this time around. So I hope you guys find it enjoyable. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm very accessible and can get back to you as quickly as possible. So I look forward to speaking with each and every one of you and seeing you in the live classroom. And I look forward to reading your little discussion board sections in your student lounge post. So Happy New Year again, and we'll look forward to seeing you.